Something happened on YouTube that almost nobody is talking about. Channels that were growing steadily flatlined overnight. Meanwhile, brand new channels, 0 subscribers, 0 history, exploded to millions of views in a matter of weeks. Same platform, same effort, completely different results. This isn't a small tweak. YouTube didn't update its algorithm. It replaced it. If you don't understand this, your content won't be seen. Period. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't understand how this new system thinks, your content will not reach an audience, no matter how good you think it is. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what changed, why it changed, and the specific things you need to do right now to actually grow in 2026. Let's get into it. For years, every YouTube guide told you the same thing. Optimize your titles, stuff your tags, write keyword-heavy descriptions, maximize your watch time at all costs, hit a magic retention percentage. And honestly, that worked. For a long time, that was the game. Watch time was king, for almost a decade. Watch time was the golden metric. The longer people watched, the more YouTube pushed your video. Simple, mechanical, gameable. Creators built entire strategies around stretching videos, adding filler, using cliffhangers just to pad runtime. That world is over. Here are the 3 biggest shifts happening right now. Shift 1. Satisfaction beats watch time. Shift number 1. YouTube now measures how satisfied viewers feel after watching, not just how long they stayed. A 5-minute video that leaves someone genuinely satisfied can now outperform a 20-minute video that people click away from at minute 3. This is a complete reversal of the old playbook. Padding your video for length can actually hurt you now. Shift 2. Micro-niche clustering. Shift number 2. The way YouTube organizes its browse feed completely changed. It used to group videos into broad categories: gaming, tech, cooking. Now, YouTube clusters videos based on each individual viewer's specific watch history patterns, meaning it identifies tiny, specific micro-niches within someone's interests and serves content accordingly. For creators, this is actually great news. If you serve a focused, specific audience, the algorithm is now better at finding exactly the right viewers for you. Generic content trying to appeal to everyone gets filtered out faster. Because the system is matching against tighter, more specific audience clusters. Generic equals filtered out. Specific equals found faster. Shift 3. The trust score nobody talks about. Shift number 3. And this one explains a lot of confusion creators have. YouTube's AI now analyzes creator behavior, patterns, consistency, authenticity. Think of it as an invisible trust score. YouTube never officially names it, but it's clearly there. Channels that behave like bots, rapid uploads with no real strategy, 0 interaction with comments, no genuine viewing history pattern. These raise red flags inside YouTube's system. This is exactly why starting a brand new channel can feel harder right now. You're not just uploading videos. You're building trust with an AI system that's watching everything you do. Here's something most creators don't realize. YouTube's AI doesn't just check your title and thumbnail anymore. It analyzes your video frame by frame, almost the way an actual human would watch it. It listens to your words. It understands what you're actually saying, not just what your title promised. This means clickbait titles that don't match your content get caught more easily than ever. If your title says one thing and your video delivers something else, the AI detects that mismatch and your distribution gets throttled. Here's a practical tip from this shift. Actually say the words from your title somewhere in your video, out loud. This reinforces relevance signals to a system that's literally listening to what you say. Now let's talk format, because this changed too. The Shorts algorithm in 2026 only pushes shorts to viewers who actually watch shorts regularly. If someone mainly consumes long-form content on your channel, your short will not show up in their search or suggested feed. The algorithm is getting personal. Your content needs to match the specific viewer it's being served to. The ideal 2026 format mix for a growing channel: 2 to 3 shorts per week, 1 long-form video per week, and 1 episodic, deeper piece per month, something that feels like a proper episode, not just another upload. And one more thing worth knowing. YouTube now accounts for over 13% of all US television viewing. More than Netflix, more than Hulu, more than Disney Plus. Up to half of all YouTube views now happen on an actual TV screen. That changes how you should design your thumbnails too. Make sure they look clean on a 55-inch screen, not just a phone. Here's the biggest mistake I see right now. Creators are still chasing the OLD signals, obsessing over perfect keyword density, stuffing tags with everything imaginable, treating retention percentage like it's the only number that matters. Those signals still exist, they're just no longer in control. Videos with strong overall engagement, high click-through rate, good retention, positive satisfaction signals now rank higher in search even when their keyword optimization is genuinely less precise. Quality is actually outranking keyword stuffing. This is a real, measurable shift. And here's something specific worth knowing. For queries with a trending or news component, YouTube heavily favors recent uploads. But for evergreen queries, the ones people search regardless of timing, the algorithm still prioritizes proven performers regardless of when they were uploaded. Knowing which type of content you're making changes how urgently you need to upload it. So here's exactly what to do based on everything we just covered. 1. Stop optimizing purely for watch time. Optimize for genuine viewer satisfaction instead. A shorter, tighter video often wins now. 2. Go narrower in your niche, not broader. Specific, focused content gets found faster by the right people. 3. Build consistency and real interaction. Reply to comments. Show up regularly. You're building trust with an AI system, not gaming it. 4. Make sure your video actually delivers what your title promises. Say your title's core words out loud in the video itself. 5. Mix your formats intentionally. 2 to 3 shorts weekly, 1 long-form video weekly, 1 deeper episodic piece monthly. This is the new playbook, not the old one. If this helped you understand what's actually happening on this platform right now, subscribe to this channel, because I'm building everything I make, including this very video, around exactly these new rules. This isn't theory for me, it's literally how I'm growing this channel in real time in front of you. Drop a comment below. Have you noticed your own videos behaving differently this year? Tell me what you've seen. I read every single comment. As always, I don't know where you're watching from, but I know you're building something real, and I'm here for every step of it. See you in the next one.